Welcome to Lux Burgers, Tokyo's top spot for Halal Wagyu burgers, with fresh ingredients and a rich flavour of Wagyu beef. This place is a must visit for burger lovers in Japan. A lot of people ask me for halal food places, guys. Here's one of them. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so I heard there's a lot of halal places here in Tokyo, so I'm about to try one right now. Let's go check it out. What's it called? Lux Burgers. Nice. Alright, let's go inside. Check it out. Oh, look at this. Oh, we've got famous people here.
How many, sir?
Nice. 2, sir. Hello. Yeah, we can sit. Can we sit here? Guys. Let's sit here. We've got the speaker up there. Just sit down. You saying you ready for this?
Well, I am hungry.
Yeah,
no breakfast, no lunch.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna be all in one.
So,
This is our grand menu.
yep.
All burger comes with fries, vegetable, yogurt cream sauce, barbecue sauce.
Yep.
And our sauce, there are 3 types sauce.
Yep.
All sauce we make every morning in our kitchen.
Okay.
It's very fresh and delicious.
Okay.
And regular meat is Australian beef.
Ah.
But we have a lamb and Wagyu. If you try Wagyu, 600 plus. Lamb 300 plus. And Wagyu burger is the most famous here.
Famous.
This 4 burger is the most famous with the Wagyu.
So that's your recommendation, yeah?
My recommendation is avocado truffle, egg truffle, blue cheese honey. And there's some side menu also, Wagyu special menu.
You got everything here, huh?
Drinks option, you have to order also drinks.
Okay.
And we have also one homemade lemonade. It's summer edition, very delicious. Thank
Yeah, I
you.
think if you order all of that, we're gonna need a bigger table. It's not gonna be enough.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll have a look. One question. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Deshi bhai, কেমন আছো? ভালো? হ্যাঁ?
You're from?
আপনার নাম কি?
আমার নাম হাসান।
হাসান?
Yes.
মাশাআল্লাহ।
You're from?
বাড়ি কোথায় ভাই? হ্যাঁ, আমি সিলেটে।
Norshindi,
হ্যাঁ?
Dhaka.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice to meet you.
UK?
Yes. So there you go, guys. There are Bangladeshis in every part of the world.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
You just check and when you're ready, just call us.
Arigato. Okay, so let me show you the menu properly. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the place, this is the spot we're at right now. Lux Burgers. A pretty intense menu, guys. So look, the menu actually starts from here. You got the hamburgers, you got the egg burgers. So you got all the burgers on this side here. Special Wagyu menu, guys. Look at that. Nice. That's intense. And then you got the soft drinks. Apparently the lemonade, the homemade lemonade is really nice. I can't see it on the menu. I think you might just have to ask for it. So, okay, let's go. Oh, there you go. It just came on time. This is the special lemonade that they make. It's a homemade burger lemonade. Nice. We ordered the blue cheese with Wagyu, yeah?
Yeah, blue
Okay.
cheese. This one, sir.
So that's your recommendation, yeah?
Yeah, my recommendation is blue cheese honey.
And if it's not good, it's free, yeah?
Wagyu, you not say it's not good.
Okay.
Definitely you say it's really good.
Alright, that's
Okay.
it, that's it.
Okay.
Sir, blue cheese honey, okay?
Times 2, please.
Wagyu, blue,
It comes with, no, it doesn't come with fries, does it?
all
we have to
burger
order.
comes with fries, vegetable, sauces, sauce. 3
Sauces.
types sauce.
Okay, that's good. So it comes with fries.
Yeah,
Spicy fries.
Spicy fries.
Okay, that's fine then. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Lemonade, yeah?
And then 2 lemonades, please. To get
Both?
the special.
Blue
Both.
cheese honey.
Yes.
Huh? And another thing I want to know.
Yes.
How you want to eat? It's medium rare cooking okay or medium,
Medium rare.
well?
For me, medium rare. Don't know about you.
What's the chef's recommendation?
Our regular cooking is medium rare.
Let's do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Arigato.
Thank you very much.
Got special permission to go inside the back kitchen.
This
to
time
see the
special,
chef.
guys.
Special guest. So this is the Wagyu beef getting cooked. Oh, look at that, guys. So what was your name, bro?
Soda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So this is the chef, guys.
Chef here, yeah.
The chef is making our food for us. Delicious. We already got the plates ready.
Yeah.
Nice.
Half Indonesia, half Japan.
Half Indonesia.
Half Japan. I'm born in Japan.
Japan. Nice. I was in Indonesia 3 months ago.
Nice, nice.
No, last month I was in Indonesia. Yeah.
Okay.
Jakarta, Bali.
Nice.
Very nice. Your
Yeah.
country is amazing.
Thank you.
I want to live in your country.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah. London.
Nice. London.
But originally I'm Bangladesh.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Like my friend here is from Bangladesh. He's my brother from Bangladesh. You know.
That's good. No.
Nice.
Lemonade.
Okay, so here's the lemonade
With mint,
made with mint. Yeah.
mint, honey,
Honey,
lemongrass,
lemongrass,
lemon, and syrup.
syrup. Nice.
And mint we plant inside our in front of our door.
Yeah.
We not purchase the mint. It's our tree. It's a little tree here. It's a fresh tree one.
Nice. And then this is the special sauce.
Yeah, we make every morning.
Every morning you
Fresh,
make
very
fresh.
fresh.
What's the secret ingredient? You can't. It's a secret.
Yeah, it's a secret.
Nice.
Nah.
Lovely, lovely. The burger buns. Look at that. Ooh, they look like they got chocolate over it.
Actually, this is egg.
Egg.
Yep.
Oh,
Big.
thank you, sir. Egg on top, guys. Look at that burger bun. That looks delicious. Without the burger being inside.
This band is very special band.
Special brand.
We order specially, then they make special for us because we have to make it halal.
Yes, halal.
Yeah, so everything we not use any ingredients non halal. Everything halal, 100%.
Alhamdulillah. So as you guys already know, this is a Halal Wagyu Burger Place here in Japan. Oh my God, so cutting it. Yeah. Look at that. Clean cut. Nice.
I flip it.
You flip it, yep. It's time to flip the burgers. They're pretty big burgers, guys. Look how big they are. Wow. Look at that. So this is the blue cheese they use, guys. Look at this. This cheese is being used. Quality, right? It's a quality cheese here in Tokyo. Just cuts it up. So you was born in Japan,
I
right?
born in Japan. I
Wow.
grew up in Japan.
You grew up in Japan.
Yeah, so I know how difficult to find in Japan halal.
Halal food, yeah.
Halal food, halal restaurant.
Yeah.
Even Muslim.
Muslim, yeah.
Very rare. Now many foreigners coming.
Yeah.
So looks like many Muslim, but who was living in Japan is not very much. More than like 1%.
But I've noticed one thing: the Japanese people are very accommodating for Muslims here in Japan, right?
They try to understand
Yeah.
what we do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, Japanese, their style is like Muslim.
Yeah.
They like clean.
Very clean.
They clean. They believe some God.
Yeah.
Not like us,
Yeah.
but they like to believe something.
Yeah.
Very similar like us. Yeah.
Very interesting,
very
guys.
good thing.
Here goes the cheese on the burger. Nice. After when the burger is fried up, he puts it in the oven just there, so it can
very hot to get.
cook properly. As you can see, just there. The fries getting spiced on. Ooh, look at that. What's that? You put salt, yeah?
The salt. Then this one is our special spice.
Special spice.
Original.
Nice. Yeah, I like it spicy.
As a flavor, not the hot taste, but
Yeah.
it's really good.
Of course.
Everybody like this fries.
Look at that.
Some people
Yeah.
they like more than burger. Somebody like fries more than burger.
Really? They must be delusional. Plating up the chips. Here is the burger getting dressed. Look at that. So this is the honey.
Very good match with blue cheese.
Yes.
Really nice.
Ooh. Then he's putting the what? Barbecue sauce?
Yep.
I can smell it. It smells delicious. And then what's this? Green sauce.
This is green sauce. Green peas, wasabi.
Wasabi. Ooh, spicy. Nice.
サビさん入ったでかいのやつないんですか？
Oh, look at that. Here comes the food. Ooh.
Cheese.
Whoa.
Honey.
Literally cheese, man. This is good.
Look at that,
This is our
guys.
special yogurt cream sauce.
So,
Sir,
explain to me, bro,
yes.
what is
This is our
inside
Wagyu,
here?
Wagyu blue cheese honey burger.
Yep.
This is the honey, our
Yep.
spicy French fry,
Yep.
vegetable, and our special yogurt cream sauce.
Sauce.
The sauce inside you find some little tomato,
Yeah,
grilled onion, and pickles.
yeah.
You just mix it, put in the burger, some vegetable,
Yeah.
then try it.
Yeah.
The direction is inside here.
Okay.
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Good,
you.
man.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with the chips. Let's just try the chips on its own first before I dip it into any sauces. So, it's spicy. Wow, that's really spicy. Just a perfect crunch. It's not too crunchy. Very soft in the middle. Wow, wow, that's really nice. Let me try it with the sauce. This is the homemade special sauce that they make every day in the morning. So let's try this sauce. So it's got this yogurty flavor, a little bit of mint. I can taste it. That's nice. That's actually nice. What's this? Hold on. What's this again? Let me just. Honey. Okay, this is honey. Let me try it with the honey. Never did this before, guys. Honey with chips. Never.
That's a mad combination.
That is, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's not bad.
Sweet and spicy, yeah?
That's not bad, guys. Let me quickly try some salad as well. You gotta try the salad. Normal salad. Alright, before I try the burger, let me cleanse my palate. Give it a quick shake. Okay. Pretty mixed up. Yeah. Yeah, that's banging. That's banging. Alright, bro, you gotta try this. This is so nice. Not too long, guys. Look at this burger. Quickly, slowly take this off. Ooh, guys. Alright. It's a pretty big burger, pretty hefty. Alright. I have to eat it like this. I can't eat it upside down. A burger like this, you have to eat it properly, guys. Alright, let's go. Okay. Ready? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can taste the egg. You can taste the burger. Perfectly cooked. My face is messy, guys. That's okay.
You got the blue cheese in there as well, yeah?
And the blue cheese. Okay, let me try one more time with. Look at that. Look at that. Just that perfect amount. And then. Oh.
You look like you're getting emotional, bro. You alright?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just speechless. I don't know what to say.
Oh, Abs, I got a question for you, bro. Now that you've managed to finish the burger and you let it sit down for a little while, how would you rate it?
Honest opinion, I'll probably give it around like 8.5, 9, probably 9. But the thing is, it's not just about the burger. The service will make it 10 because the service that they provided is amazing, honestly speaking. So I'll probably give it a 10 with the service.
Alright, I want to try that sauce first, you know.
Go on.
He said he makes it every day. He's got to mix it. He's got all the lemon and mint. You know, he said they go the mint themselves as well.
Yeah.
They don't buy it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it.
So everything's, well, not everything, majority of the things is organic.
That sauce is nice, man.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's nice and tangy as well. That mint is good as well. That's a good combo.
Indeed.
Alright,
You're going for the burger. You need to try the burger, bro.
It's gonna be messy though.
It is.
This thing's kinda hefty, you know.
It is.
Kinda heavy. All right, so blue cheese, a big patty, and a nice crispy bun as well. Let's give it a try.
What do you think?
But that is a tasty burger.
That is, isn't it?
Bang.
Indeed.
That blue cheese is good as well. You know.
So what would you rate it then? You heard my ratings. What's your ratings?
I'd say 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of
It's
10.
banging. The only thing that will make it better is if there was 2 burgers on the plate.
Oh no. That's true.
That's banging.
That's true. I might even order another one. We pay cash?
Cash.
No problem. How much is it, bro?
6,600.
6,600. Okay, so I've got this. For both, right?
Yeah, both.
Top 5.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thanks so much.
So guys, that was 3,300 yen, which equivalents to around $21. So yeah, that's what you get for a meal here. Okay, boss. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna steal your recipe. Is that okay? Yeah. Thank you, arigato. Thank you so much.
It's really
It was really nice to meet you. Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. See you again,
Have a
sir.
good one.
See you.
Good travel, sir.
Thank you. There you go, guys. Halal Wagyu here in Japan, Tokyo. Guys, so as we were just leaving, I just literally bumped into the owner. The owner is actually Bangladeshi. This is the first Bangladeshi guy I've met. How long have you been here?
I'm 26 years.
26
26
years.
years, yeah.
Wow, it must have been really hard for you when you first came.
But very fast, very fast. But I work in French food. I work in international hotel.
Oh, so you're a French chef?
Yeah, I'm French chef. It's my history.
Oh.
This is my history.
Oh.
He's the last Olympic head chef.
Oh.
Japan Olympic head chef. I work with him 5 years.
Yeah.
And when I'm 26, and this is when I'm 40, is 60.
Wow. So that
This
was
is
a long
different.
time ago.
Long time.
You look younger now.
Yeah, you look young man.
Backwards.
He's a head chef of Mandarin Oriental Tokyo. When Mandarin come in Tokyo,
Yeah.
I work in Mandarin. Also,
Mandarin.
I am working West in Tokyo.
West in
and
Tokyo.
Conrad Tokyo. This is the West in Tokyo. He's German guy. And I work in Conrad Hotel.
Conrad, yeah.
Conrad
yeah.
Hotel, yeah. So this is my long journey in the French food. About this restaurant actually opened 2015. 2015, and then all are French, and then I start halal in 2020
So this was one of the first halal places here in Tokyo.
Yeah, here in Tokyo, I know burger restaurant.
Burger restaurant,
Yeah, first burger restaurant in Tokyo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you going to give us the secret recipe for the sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. This is all are actually homemade.
Yeah.
Yes, this is our
Secret.
secret.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you
I
so
really
much.
appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
Pleasure.
Bye bye.
Thank
So
you.
there you go, guys. Luckily, we met the owner here at this beautiful restaurant, Halal Wagyu place. We stumbled across this place anyway. There you go.